Need help finding a good Pontiac Fiero? Mr. Fiero is here to help you find the Fiero you have always wanted. Check out Mr. Fiero's Everything That's Cool Fiero website. Mr. Fiero has been collecting Pontiac Fieros since 1985 and has put everything he knows about picking up a good Fiero into a how-to manual for upcoming Fiero enthusiasts. Check our best-selling Fiero products. Fiero mirror covers. Our stunning Pontiac Fiero commemorative license plate frame. Feel proud with our Pontiac Fiero GT garage flag. Get our nice decorative Fiero GT metal sign. Be cool with Mr. Fiero baseball cap. 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT model. Get it now. Be sure to get our copy of our handy e-report on how to go about picking the best Pontiac Fiero you can find to meet your Fiero hobby needs. Click on the link below in the video description.